So this whole time I've been doing a PhD at the ANU. It's been a bloody ripper. Did I say that right?
Okay.
Wait, no, you need to come down a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Now you're on my level.
I was like, can I just edit that?
Biology is so diverse and there's so many unanswered questions.
The opportunity to do something which I felt was meaningful in the world.
The idea that I was going to one day look down the microscope and see something that no one had ever seen before.
Realized that I always wanted to do some research that actually can have an impact on people's lives and people's health. Put a little puzzle piece into the whole thing of helping people get rid of malaria, maybe at some point.
So you wanted to be a lawyer when I was in school.
Did you?
All things, yeah.
I decided to chase that biology high and keep going as far down the rabbit hole goes.
Just knowing that there's so much out there to know is what drew me into research and then sticking it out until to do a PhD.
Canberra is a fantastic city to live in, and ANU is a fantastic campus.
Canberra is the best place, like it's so peaceful.
Campus that is just like inviting to be there and you're happy to go to work every day.
Quite serene and you can easily move around. It's such a pretty city to be in that within 5 minutes you're just surrounded by this pristine bushland.
The amount of national parks that are just at my fingertips in Canberra, I really love. The fact that I can drive 4 hours in pretty much any direction and be in a different ecosystem, you know, like that is something I've never had before.
And also everyone's really friendly in Canberra, which
Yeah.
I like.
Yeah.
I would definitely agree. But yeah, it's also the facilities. ANU has absolutely wonderful facilities.
Being at ANU and being at RSB and having the resources that RSB has, where we can go away to these external campuses and come out here for retreats and things is really, really cool.
They have like an amazing microscopy facility which I use, I would say at least once or twice a week.
You have all the new techniques, all the new equipments are available in our ANU labs, and it's all accessible to all the students working at the department. Yeah.
I think the access to the supercomputer that's on campus, where I run all of my simulations, the fact that it's just down the road is super helpful, super exciting.
I find that the whole school is really well resourced and it's second to none in terms of what it really offers. We've got access to so many different facilities that are just top of the line, cutting edge stuff. It's really well resourced, and I think the best resource that we have is the people.
The Research School of Biology, that it's so close together and every group knows each other and you can like talk to everyone.
You know, you're waving hello and as you walk past, you're like, oh, I'm going to this, do you want to come?
Even in other universities in Australia, I've never seen an environment like that at ANU. Like just the social culture is so incredibly strong.
Know that there's people who are at the same stage of their PhD as you, so you can always have a shoulder to cry on if you need it.
Access to, you know, some of the, I guess, leaders in the field that you can just walk into their office and have a chat, ask them some questions. I think that's really amazing, and we're so lucky.
It's really nice to be able to have that connection through the people at the Research School of Biology, and everyone just has very positive connections to each other.
That support is vital. If you don't have that, I don't think you could really undergo a PhD. So.
A lot of supportive staff that you are able to really focus on your passion and do it very well. And so I feel that ANU, it's a great place to pursue my PhD. PhD in biology at ANU, bloody ripper.
Yeah, it's a bloody ripper.